Yes, so my correct people, I don't come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. The koko be say the federal government now they don plan to go borrow 20 trillion naira pension fund o. The plan now of the government to use this 20 trillion naira from the pension fund and other locally available resources, they say na for infrastructure development wey go for help country people. And this now dey come after the coordinating minister for the economy and minister of finance wey be Oga Wale Edun. He come dey yarn say na part of their strategic plan to develop infrastructure for the country Nigeria. And Oga Wale Edun dey yarn this one dey give tori people after the Federal Executive Council wey end on Tuesday. Omo, this man come dey explain say government their focus na to tap into the financial resources wey our country Nigeria get on a local levels. Now these local resources na mainly the pension and life insurance funds wey they wan use for national growth, and im come dey yarn say na significant step to push the economic progress and also to face important infrastructure for inside we country Nigeria. Omo, as this koko land as this story just come board, e no sweet anybody for inside we country Nigeria. Nigerians dey para well well, they no get joy at all sake of say the government they don too do. Every time na people wey dey work and save for their future na im the government dey like to go borrow money from, and that one e no true make sense. Even the former vice president wey be Atiku Abubakar, he don come outside dey react on top the matter wey the minister of finance wey be Wale Edun dey yarn o. Oga Atiku Abubakar wey be the 2023 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, he come dey yarn say the plan wey the federal government get say na illegal according to the law. Atiku say Oga Wale Edun now no give useful details on wetin they wan carry the money to do. According to the minister, he say the initiative dey expected to attract foreign investment interest over time, and na domestic savings na be their immediate focus for now. No be small koko my correct people. Oga Atiku Abubakar now don come outside the yarn say he no provide any useful details o, like the percentage of the funds wey they go collect from the pension funds dem for example. He said they need to stop this move immediately, say this na misguided initiative wey fit lead to disastrous consequences on the lives of Nigerian hardworking men and hardworking women wey dey toil and save and wey go now survive on their pensions when dem don retire from service. He say this leg now wey the federal government dem bring come say na another attempt wey they wan use take do illegalities, and e no make sense at all. But na correct person dem make we check this matter properly, go say e no true make sense o. The way wey the federal government dey take loan e no good o. The other time now I give you report now say they don balance, they dey wait for loan from World Bank. You know how many billion dollars wey they dey expect from there. Now they wan still carry 20 trillion naira from pension funds, and oga minister dey there dey talk say na for infrastructure development. That kind levels there e no true make sense o. Atiku Abubakar now wey don come outside dey react on top the matter. He say they need to caution the government to make dem act strictly within the provisions of the Pension Reform Act of 2014, along with the revised regulations on investment of pension assets wey the National Pension Commission dem issue. He say make government now no come go act contrary to the provisions of the extant regulation on investment limits to WITO, wey talk say dem no fit invest pension funds wey dey more than 5% of the total pension funds assets in infrastructure investments dem. Like this now country people wey chook mouth for this matter dem plenty o, even for inside social media, the platform wey everybody know as X. All of them don come outside dey yarn on their dissatisfaction on this journey wey the federal government they don embark on. They say e no make sense at all. Say if you come make things now come dey hard for pensioners, and e go come dey them difficult now to come get their full benefit. Like this our country person wey name na Adewale Damilare, he come dey yarn say the thing dey get scary every day o. He hope say our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu no go tax all country people to hellfire. Say pensioners now they go come dey at the mercy of the government, and to come dey get their benefit now go come dey based on luck or nothing at all. No be small koko my correct people. Meanwhile, as some people dey talk on how the thing dey pain them reach, some of our country people dey come dey drag Atiku Abubakar as they dey talk say say he no suppose to chook mouth for this matter based on say him too in hand no clean at all. According to our countryman wey him name na Jam, he say e no dey funny say somebody like Atiku Abubakar now go come openly dey criticize government policies wey Atiku Abubakar clearly know nothing about. And he come dey ask question o, say when oga Atiku Abubakar wan return the $145 billion PTDF loot. No be small matter my correct people. See this life e no too balance o. the federal government now omo come back see if they get plenty cockroach under their cupboard, get wetin they dey hide, we say they no want make country people dem true know about am. But you know say the question wey dey for country people their mind, the question wey be say many country people now they go dey ask but they no know who they go ask and give. Na why government dey always borrow pension money? Na why e be say na workers their money wey government dey like come chook hand put? Kuda ma yarn you legit. You know say tori people now come go follow one financial expert wey be Seyi Kolawale talk. Oga Seyi come dey tell tori people say government dey like to go that money sake of say e dey always dey available. The money dey available, they dey always see am. Those kind of levels dem. According to how Oga Kolawale take yarn, he say other options dem dey o, but na this one wey be say e dey most accessible. This one wey be say na money wey be say they no go need for years to come. So all things being equal now, the pensioners they go still dey alive long enough. When they come ask Oga Kolawale say this pension money now wey government dey borrow, wetin be the impact on how e go affect pensioners for their future? The man come answer o. He say e no get any major impact as long as say government return the money from where dem take am from. He come dey explain o say if government now put the money to good use, say the money sef fit dey suppose grow. He say the money suppose grow to accumulate interest and accounting for inflation if dem no touch am at all. Say the only issue na when the government now no make good use of the money, like bad investment and bad return. And if the government now no come fit return am after dem borrow am, na there kasala go come dey between government and the pensioners. But if everything now come go well and the government return the money with interest, say everybody suppose dey happy about the matter. And my correct people, if you dey wonder say how many times wey government don to borrow from pension money, ma yarn you legit o. This one no be the first time wey government don chook hand inside the money wey workers dey save for their future. And you see this retirement savings, no be only the government dey bring am o, na contribution something. That is to say the government go bring some, then you sef go come bring some part, you know. For inside the year 2019, the pension commission come dey tell local media say federal government bin borrow 72.5% of the pension fund and then invest am for the FGN securities wey come total 6.16 trillion naira during the period. Now the pension fund administrators dem now bin also invest 6.87% of the 584.321 billion naira of the money from domestic ordinary shares dem. Then they can also invest 0.71 or 60.529 billion naira of the fund for foreign ordinary sales dem. Then local media can also report to say for inside the year 2017, say federal government bin borrow 5 trillion naira from the 7.3 trillion naira pension funds wey dem bin don save since the year 2004. According to the report, say na new roads, repair of railways and to repair electricity wahala na the government can use the money dey do. Then for inside October for the year 2015, the former governor of Edo State wey be Adams Oshiomhole, he bin accuse the former president wey be Goodluck Jonathan say im go chook hand inside the pension funds wey dey almost 3.7 trillion naira. Then for inside October 2023, the lower parliament for the Nigeria dey become conclude say they wan go try to recover 10 trillion naira pension fund wey the government dem bin borrow. And this resolution dey happen after one lawmaker come outside dey yarn o say most pensioners dey no get access to their retirement funds o, even though dem bin don comply with all the requirements of the contributory pension scheme dem. So this na some of the fears wey country people dem get about the money if and when the government dey go pay back. So this na the koko wey I bring come for you o, my correct people. Any item be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV wey dey like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. If you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. And dey bring another news for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.